Hello, welcome to YouTube. My name is Chan Kwasniak. In today's topic, I'm going to guide you on how to hide the people that you are following on Facebook. What I would like you to do first is to open your Facebook account, log into your Facebook account on a computer or through the mobile app that you have. To scroll down and then you come to setting and privacy, this one. Setting and privacy, click setting and privacy, and then you're going to see this list of menus here. I want you to search for or look for this. Okay, there's something here that you need to look for. Setting, just click setting here, and then under setting, okay, wait a few seconds. Yeah, under setting here, you just skip all this personal detail, password and security and the rest. Just come down here and look for this. There is under audience and visibility, this one. You look for how people find and contact you, but that's not what we are here for. We are under followers and public content, this one. You click this, okay, you click it, and then it will bring you here. Okay, now who can follow me? If you put it to public, it means that everybody will follow you. But if you change it to something different, nobody will follow you. So how you can hide the people that you are following? Well, here who can see your followers on your timeline, the people that you are following. Who can see the people page and list your follows? Who can comment on your public post notification, public profile information, show most relevant comment first, or Facebook preview. What you need here, even how you can block the people, you can block the people here, but what you have to do is to hide this. Who can see the people page and list that you follow? You have to put it to only me. I believe for now your the people that you are following might be public content. Again, you are going to change this to only me. Okay, do not leave it to public. Okay, just put it to only me. That's how you can hide the people that you are following. That's it. If this thing helps you, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, NueTube. Thank you. Bye bye.